everybody, welcome back to Cat Every Day. It is, I'm so sorry, I'm late putting up my Monday hangout. I have to pick up my kids really soon, so I'm not going to be here for very long. But I wanted to update you on a couple of things. Number one was my weigh-in this week, and that was I'm down 0.4. So I'm really happy about that. It's almost half a pound, and I think that's a healthy loss. This is interesting. I also wanted to talk about my total for the loss to this point. I know we have like another week to go for the month of February, but for the month of February so far, I'm down 4.8 total. And so I'm really excited about that because I haven't seen the number that I think since May 2024. So that means that my holiday weight has skedaddled, and I'm grateful for that. Now, really, I think I lost 3.4 to this point this month because I have to count the 4.8. There's 1.4 of that actually happened after I gave blood. I donated blood, and then I lost another 1.4 by doing that. So I know that I have to manufacture more blood to replace that. So it's going to take 8 weeks to do that, but it's, so I don't know what that's going to do to my weight. It'll fluctuate a bit here and there. In the meantime, I'm hoping that I'll still continue to lose fat, and so it'll even out, you know what I mean? So I expect to see some pretty bizarre, wacky numbers up and down over the next 8 weeks. But anyway, I had some really exciting news to talk to you about as far as phlebotomy, as far as blood donations. They're calling it the modern day bloodletting. And the reason why is because there's case studies being done now that are looking very positive, that not only is it a way to kind of help, bring your blood sugar down, they use it for different reasons. Now, if you are going through like testosterone therapy for men, right, when they go through that, it's not bioidentical, but probably like a synthetic testosterone therapy. They have to, this is part of it. One of the questions they ask you before you donate is, are you being treated for testosterone therapy? And is that why you're doing this? And the gentleman that was seated to the left of me while he was donating was there, and he was explaining that he has to do this under that therapy because then he kind of feels like the testosterone builds up in his system, and when he does this, he donates and he feels like himself again. So it kind of like equalizes everything, and he finds another equilibrium. So that's really interesting. So it's a bit of a like filtration process, I guess, for him. But they're finding, and I will put a video, very interesting video, where somebody is talking about this. And there's a lot you can find out there right now on this. But I will put it in the comments section if you want to take a look at it. And it's a video where this man is talking about some real case studies. And it is in regards to the health benefits of donating blood for men and women over 40, for the ones who can, because not everybody can donate. There might be some health drawbacks. Just depends on where you're at. The video is about iron depletion by phlebotomy, which improves insulin resistance in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and hyperferritinemia, evident, and this is evidence from a case-controlled study. Hyperferritinemia, it's a mouthful, is basically when your body like backs up with iron, and it causes all kinds of problems, and they're finding out that is very closely related to cardiovascular diseases. So this modern day bloodletting or donating blood, they're finding that there are so many benefits to doing that, and it's kind of like helps to reset your system, I guess, bring the iron down to where it's supposed to be if you have too much, which I think you need to be tested to see where you're at on that. But before you donate, they always test your iron. So it's a kind of a mini free checkup. They'll test your iron, and they do test your blood pressure. They will let you know if your iron's not, I think you have to be like over a 12.5 as far as the iron that's in your body. And if you're not, they won't let you donate. I was at a 14.5, I think it was, so I was just fine. But anyway, so I think that that's exciting. One thing that I noticed too, and this is just my own observation, I'm not sure if it has anything to do with this or not, but while we were donating, I had maintained an A1C of 5.7, and we were donating every, I think, 2 months or so. Now, they say that twice a year is pretty much like the benefit that you need, to be able to see real health benefits if you're able to donate blood. So it doesn't have to be like every 8 weeks or anything, but we were doing every 8 weeks or so donation. And so I was maintaining that 5.7. After I stopped for over a year, and now I'm crept up to 6.1. And I'm just wondering if there is, because I haven't really changed anything else, I'm wondering if there's a link there. It's just an interesting coincidence. So I thought I would kind of point that out. I'm watching it. So I am doing my low carb meals to help bring down my A1C. I'm walking after each meal. I'm trying to do all the things. I'm adding fiber with my meals to help try to bring it down. My blood sugars, I really am keeping them out of my diet as much as possible. And now I've added blood donation to that mix. So let's see if it has, any sort of health benefit for me. I hope so. But I will definitely keep you informed on what's going on. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know where I was at and put out that little tidbit of information. I will put the video in the comments section, and you watch it and see what you think about it. But anyway, I just wanted to pass that on. And I will be talking to you guys real soon. Also, I think what I want to do is start doing some shorts on what I eat in a day, so you see how I'm using a low-carb diet to help bring down my A1C. All right, so put any comments down in the comment section, any questions that you might have about it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.